we are done. Guys, what's going on? It's Hunter. Thanks for checking in with me. Today, just wanted to do a quick little vlog here. Just wanted to give you a little bit of credibility of, I'm putting out these videos, some how-tos, some fun walkthroughs. Just wanted to give you kind of a little sense of really what I accomplish, or my partner Brian and I really do accomplish in one day. For this instance, unfortunately, Brian had knee surgery, so I'm jamming at houses by myself. I'm getting 2 days to get these houses done, but you gotta work hard, you gotta jam them out. So here we are, we're on a A.R.E Horton site. We got some homes finished, some people living. Got some people hanging out over there, some guys hanging out over there, kind of taking lunch. More homes up the street. Bunch of open land out here. This is Watkins area, Harmony project for A.R.E Horton, Dream Finders, Richmond American Homes. So we got 3 kind of homes out here, but let's just go through this house, guys. Let's start going. I'm just gonna kind of talk as we're going, but just want to show you this house. I did it in 2 days, like I said, 2566 square feet, and this house pays about $1,200 for me. Got it done in about 12 hours, so shoot, that's almost, really is $100 an hour trimming this house. So you notice we walk in, first thing right off the bat, guys, is just let's throw some casing around the front door. We're not gonna see any windowsills at all. They just drywall wrap our windowsills. So let's start off by just going upstairs, just showing you a bunch of the stuff that I've gotten completed here in these 2 days. Got a wall cap. We got our wall mount handrail. Notice there is chalk going up the wall. Use a chalk line to get those perfectly straight when you're screwing those brackets to the wall cap. We got 2 stringers here, 1 on each side. A.R.E Horton does an open frame with the stringers, with the stairs, open frame stairs, and we have to put our own stringers in, MDF material. So you've got our stringers coming up the stairs. We got another wall cap up here. And guys, these are they're sometimes hard to install, but throwing your level on it, getting it nice and straight, that's what you gotta do. We're upstairs now, we're kind of in the loft area. This house does have 3 bedrooms. So let's walk into this first bedroom, guys. And just a pretty large open bedroom. We got our baseboard going around the corners. All my miters are coped, or all the outside miters, and then all the inside are coped, not miters. We'll show you how to get those perfect at some point, but every single inside corner of the base is coped. And that's why you can probably see some pretty good miters there. But first bedroom, we just got a bypass. We got a high-low shelf and a single shelf. 17 doors in this house. So when we're walking through, you gotta think, I did all this on my own 2 days. Not a whole lot of people can do that. Second bedroom here, walking in. We got another bypass leaning across the wall over here. All it is kind of like a header with the detail. We've got our bypass track, and we just kind of screw the guide up there, wait for the carpet to go in, and then we'll install that fully. But we got a nice full 100-inch shelf in the back, a couple support brackets, plenty of hanging room. Just a bathroom in here. I do not touch the cabinets for this company, for A.R.E Horton. Someone else comes in, does the cabinets. So we're just gonna move on. It's a bathroom, it's dark in here. Not sure if you can see, but we've just got a good, decent sized tub. It is a surround. They do not tile the showers. They are just fiberglass surrounds. We're in the laundry room now. Washer dryer hookup. We got a shelf, just a cleat that we put up on the wall. They're gonna put a countertop in. So we just throw that up there for them to put their countertop on. Coming out, remember, so there's downstairs, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, bathroom, laundry room. So let's go down here, head into the master area, but we're just gonna sneak in. Quick second here, got another door. More shelving, 5 shelves right there. Coming into the master. I got a large open room. Kind of some cool views. Let's kind of check it out for a second. Open the window up. But bunch of open land. Starting to build as further and further out of Denver. Just to be able to get more people in here. Everyone keeps coming to Denver. Don't come, well, keep coming here, give me good work, but hey, there's gonna be a time where it's like, there's gonna be too many people in Denver. But here in the master, looks like we got another linen closet with some shelves, bathroom, couple cabinets. Walking in here, we got the master closet, shelves, high-low, single, kind of a little nook back here for you to do something like throw a dresser in or something. Then we got the attic up here above. Let's walk back out here, guys. We're gonna head downstairs now. Just kind of a quick walkthrough up here, but about 500 feet of base went in up here today. I did that today along with the shelves. Yesterday was the doors. All we call it the kind of the bologna in the house, the wall caps, stringers, the wall mounts, just kind of like the loose ends, just the single items. Got another bathroom down here, another closet, single shelf there so you can hang your clothes. You walk in, no basement, so in this case, crawl space, just kind of a room under the stairs, just a crawl space. Got another door, we're gonna go in there in a minute. Here's the kitchen, guys. Remember, I didn't do any of the cabinets, someone else came into the cabinets, but we did get a door over here. And let's just check out this pantry shelving. Just an L-shaped. We got a support bracket in the middle that holds it, and after people set stuff on there, it's really snug and secure, especially after they caulk it into the wall. Oh, there's our pantry. So coming out over here, gonna sneak this corner here and look what we got, guys. We got our drop zone. Just a 2 cubby for this house. Just kind of put it up in the corner, but you hear me say drop zone all the time and a bunch of walkthroughs. This is kind of where the term came up. A.R.E. Horton kind of initiated that term, the drop zone, and it's coming in, walking in from the garage. Just turn us around real quickly. We have another quick closet in there with the shelves for some more hanging. Fire door. Fire rated door from the garage into the house. So nice, solid, thick. Make sure it hits the seals. Make sure your reveals are all nice and correct all the way around. Make sure it hits that rubber nice and tight all the way around, which it does. So just a quick walkthrough, guys. Here's our furnace outside in the garage. This door was a friggin' beast to get in here. It's about 250, 300 pounds almost, I would guess. So I had to take each door off, put the frame in, secure the frame, put a door on, put the other door on, unscrew the frame, readjust, pain in the butt when you're all alone. Alrighty, guys, just back out here at the truck real fast before I shut everything up and head out of here, get home, get a shower in, and get on with my day. Just a couple things. I did this house in 2 days by myself, 12 hours, like I said at the beginning. Whenever I'm trying to show you a how-to of a windowsill, this project doesn't do windowsills, but there are other projects for DR that still do. I want you to take into mind that I'm just trying to give you my best knowledge of what I do. I do install 2,000 windowsills a year, probably 2,000 doors a year, run over a mile of base in a year easily. Today was just 500 feet. I mean, I probably run 15 miles of base in a year. Drop zones build all the time, so I really want you to understand that I do know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna feed anything out onto the channel where it's, hey, do this just to solve a fix when I really don't know what I'm talking about. You're not gonna see any electric work or any gas work in the homes. I don't touch any of that stuff I'm not licensed to. But when it comes to carpentry, I do know how to bust it out. I am kind of one of a kind. There isn't a lot of other people that can come in here and get 17 doors, that big ass double door, that heavy rated fire door, 34 shelves, 500 feet of base, you know, 2 wall caps, a wall mount, the stringers, the attic, the bypass. Like, it's a lot. So please just keep in touch. Check out what I gotta say, because I'm really trying hard here and I'm really trying to start something new. I did start a company 3-4 years ago that we have done a little bit of work in and one full renovation in. It's called Dream a Bit Homes. So Charlie and I, you're gonna meet Charlie at some point. Whenever we're talking about dreaming a bit, it's a mindset that we got going on. It's being bigger than just trimming here at A.R.E Horton every day, doing work, going home. Now it's trying to flip a couple houses, get some people out of some rough situations, and now into the end, providing you guys with some good knowledge of stuff that I really know how to do like the back of my hand. And I need to teach that to you guys, because hanging a door is not hard. You just need to know a couple little tips and tricks. But mindset, always dreaming a bit, and it's the only way to go. Got to keep moving, got to keep learning, got to keep pushing forward. So thank you so much for watching. This is just a little tidbit about me, but we'll see you on the next video. We're out.